These are some garlic butter lamb chops served with some creamy mashed potatoes. Here I'm showing you the weight of the lamb shoulder that I will be seasoning. It's roughly 3 pounds. I am using a measuring spoon to show you all the ingredients that I used and the amount. I will list them in the description box. I used quite a few seasonings, herbs and spices to season these lamb chops, and I also use a little Himalayan salt. I used some avocado oil to mix the seasonings that I am adding now on the lamb chops after washing and pat drying. I am seasoning for this to soak. I used lots of herbs and spices. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for your support. Please remember to give your girl a like. Please also remember to watch my videos for even a minute. If you reduce the time to less than a minute, it reduces my watch hours. Thank you. I'll give you a second to like the video. Thank you for liking. So here I am done with seasoning my meat. It is well seasoned, well rubbed in, and with the avocado oil, the powdered seasons especially, it holds the meat better. So here I heated my skillet and I just used a tiny hint of avocado oil to just glaze the bottom of the pot to help to color this meat. I'll also be adding some butter in it and some rosemary to help add flavor. Once this is colored, I will be adding to my oven, and I am doing this garlic and butter. So I'll be using lots of garlic. I used almost 6 cloves of garlic. Once this was colored in my skillet, the next thing I will do is I preheated my oven to 380 degrees and I will be adding this in my oven. So here I added lots of garlic on this, some butter, some rosemary and some pepper. Added to my oven. This is it after it baked until it was falling off the bone. Here I did some mashed potatoes with some green beans, and this is a quick, easy dinner. Restaurant style, 5-class style, and I added a little melted butter on my creamed mashed potatoes. Here I am showing you what my lamb chops looked like, juicy, and it was well done. I then served this on my creamy mashed potatoes, which I added additional garlic powder to it and drizzled a little gravy on my lamb chops. Tell me this isn't 5-star dishing and a 5-star meal. Thank you for staying this far. Thank you for watching the video. Please remember to give your girl a like. Please remember to drop a comment, and remember now, this is not pork. I do not consume pork. Lamb chops is from the lamb, not pork. Just a disclaimer. Here is my dish meal. Tasted really good. A quick and easy dinner recipe that you too can try. Again, thank you for watching. See you soon.